tell me a little bit about when you said you set bad foundations. What are you referring to?
So when I got into real estate, I just expected just to sell houses, not knowing that I had to, like the relationship part with the clients. I'm a little introvert, so I'm not really like very sociable. So the relationship part kind of is a lot for me. I'm getting into that space though, because I know it's a relationship business. Getting clients, maintaining clients, nurturing clients. I kind of got to get in that headspace and learn how to maneuver through that process.
Okay. So 3 separate things you mentioned there: getting clients, maintaining clients, and nurturing clients. What each one of those things, like separating them, getting, maintaining, and nurturing, what does each one look like to you?
What do you mean?
Like, how would you define, when you mentioned more specifically maintaining clients, how would you define maintaining clients?
I think like as far as emails, like sending emails, sending constant reminders that, you know, hey, like not really salesy, but just, you know, like I said, building that relationship.